In this video I will tell you how you can update your Apple Watch. The process is very simple but it's little complicated. What you have to do is you have to connect your Apple Watch, and throughout all the update process it should be connected to the charging adapter. What you have to do next is you have to turn on your another phone Wi-Fi hotspot, or if you have Wi-Fi connection at your home, that's good. You have to connect your both devices, that's Apple Watch and your iPhone, to the same Wi-Fi network. Then you have to go to the Apple Watch app, and here you have to select the software version you want to update and click on update. And this process will be about 10 to 15 minutes long, and in this simple way you can update your Apple Watch. Just be patient, because after the Apple Watch this process takes time. This is restarting the Apple Watch with the new version. And this is how you can update your Apple Watch in a very simple manner. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family. And for more tech videos or iPhone related videos, you can check out my channel, and I will see you in the next one.